Welcome everyone to another part 6 of our TensorFlow object detection API tutorial series. Well, in this part we will export frozen inference graph from previous series training model. So in previous video we made step-by-step custom object detection, how to make it and so on, and we finished it on when we started the training. So you can all download everything from my GitHub repository or my page pythonlessons.com. And here I didn't show you the loss of my model, so here's the picture of my loss. And here I created here are my old tutorials which I made, and we already have 5 parts, and right now I'll create this one, 6 part, and today we're going to test how my training model works. So I will close this, and here is my TensorFlow object detection directory, and here we'll work to export our frozen inference graph. So here I'll create a new file, call it for example 6 for now, and let's begin with exporting inference graph. So here I have export inference graph by file, and I'll of course upload it to my GitHub directory. I'll copy it here for now, not to forget it, and we'll use this. And now right now we can open CMD. I'll run it as administrator and come here to this directory. So let's open what it has and let's see. So here's the flags. So we should show input type and image tensor. So let's do that. I'll begin with Python, and there was file called export inference graph .py, and let's use our input type. Input type will be input tensor. Then we'll use with pipeline config path, and this will be our CSGO training directory, like that. We'd add, and here we need our model config file. So I'll do this like this, and now we need trained checkpoint prefix, and let's go to our training directory. So here I made 30,000 steps of training, and I'll use this, the largest one. As you can see, it's 100 megabytes. So let's write it the same way. I need this backslash, and I'll use this model. Let's try that. CKPT Tier 3, and now we need our output directory. We'll use similar directory as before in inference graph. inference. inference. Yeah, like that. And let's try it. I pressed enter and let's see what we get. I think we need to wait a short amount of time. So anyway, this tutorial should be not long, 10 minutes or 15, but I'll show you that everything works if I'll export my graph successfully. And right now I can transfer what I need. So I need label map to my new tutorial. I'll call it CSGO label map. I hope everything is fine because I can't see anything, but let's wait more a little. What I'll need more will be from 4 part. We'll need modal faster we made, and we'll use it here. I'll rename it to CSGO object detection. Yeah, now we need, I think we only need our modal to be exported. Here it is, but not exported yet. So let's wait. It's doing something finally. This is doing something. Let's see. Yeah, we have our inference graph exported. So I take it and I'll give it a better name. So I can close this one, and I think I don't need this anymore. And this, I'll open my Py file, which I will be working with, and I'll change a few lines for now, and more with it will work in next tutorials. So I have 4 classes to detect. My label map is a little different than this. So okay, and yeah, that's it for now. I can go to my game, I launch it, okay, play. I have the version for non-Steam version to play with bots. Anyway, it doesn't matter because it's the test purpose for me. And okay, I'll move this here for now because I'm sure I will need it. Let's start our game. Find the bots, and okay, it doesn't matter. We choose this map, harmless bots, and now I can run this one script. Oh no, I think I'll need to change these. It will take some time, but don't worry. I'll crop this. So as you can see, my screen changed, and I'm really sorry about that, but I had a problem that when I started to record the video, it has had really huge lags and you couldn't see anything or hear me. It was terribly lagging, and this was because I was recording video on my CPU. I didn't notice that, but then I found out how to record on GPU, and so I have 3 GPUs. So I'm using TensorFlow first GPU for TensorFlow, and right now I'm recording video on second second GPU, and it's my script is loading already. So you should see my model in a moment. So here it is. I think you should see it. And here's the FPS I'm receiving. It's 6.4. Well, when I'm not recording, it's higher, but anyway, I'll think what to do with this later. Right now, let's try to find someone and see how we detect our enemies. So here it is, terrorist. As you can see, it perfectly detects 2 objects and heads, bodies, and now let's kill them simply. And as you can see, the model is working, but it even sees this terrorist in the darkness. I can't see it. So okay, this model working for now. So just what we'll do next is we'll try to move our target to the bodies which we detect and try to shoot them in next tutorial. So for now we are sure that our code is working. So I think that's it, and I spent quite a lot of time on this, but it's working, and I'll share it on my GitHub repository. So if you have any questions, be sure to leave them in comment section below this video. And of course, if you like my video, smash up the likes button and subscribe my channel. Then you'll get more of my videos. Text version of this tutorial and links will be left in video subscription. Thank you all for watching. Good luck and see you in the next video.